Okay, part 2. I'll go right where I left off. Remember, I had just said that they were going to disqualify Fly Guy from this amazing pet show, but because of Buzz's quick thinking. Let's see what happens. The judges were more amazed. The fly knows the boy's name, they said, but flies can't be pets. And they're scratching their head. They're all confused. Fly Guy flew high, high, high into the sky. Look at that. Look at that. He's super, super high up there. So when you ask yourself a question about something you read in a story, you can usually find the answer to your question later in the story. On this page, I read that Fly Guy is flying high into the sky. I asked myself the question, will Fly Guy come back? What will he do? I will read on to find out what happens next. Let's keep going. Then he dived down, 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 down into the jar. The fly knows his jar, the judges said. This fly is a pet. So they let Fly Guy in the show. So now I want you to turn around and I want you to think. Talk to somebody around you. What did the judges just say? What does that tell you about their point of view? How did the judges' point of view just change? Because remember in the beginning, they're like, nope, that's not a pet. Fly Guy, nope, that's not a pet. And now what happened that changed their mind? The judges in the pet show first called him a pest. And now they think that flies can make good pets because he knows his name, he knows his jar, and he can do tricks. Very similar to other pets we might know. Dogs, cats, things like that. Very good. Let's keep reading. He even won an award. Let's look at those awards. Cutest pet, pet with most legs would be an octopus, totally. Heaviest pet, and the smartest pet. Look at that. That's probably the best award to receive, I would imagine. I would love to be the smartest teacher. That would be amazing. And so began a beautiful friendship between Buzz and Fly Guy. That word beautiful is such a great word to use there, a nice describing word. And then it says you can meet Ted Arnold. And Ted Arnold was the author. And here's his purpose. He wanted to tell the story of an insect he knew about. Now, what's an insect you might know? Draw a picture of the insect you know, and maybe then you can come up with a creative story to share with me. Wouldn't I love getting a little picture of your story about your own insect pet or what it could do? Maybe you have a pet bee. Maybe you have a pet mosquito. I would love to know about a pet butterfly. And then you could draw a beautiful butterfly for me and tell me what it could do to make you so happy. So keep up the good work. Continue listening and reading and doing amazing things. Enjoy your Wednesday. Bye-bye, friends.